you guys like cycling in the rain, this video is for you. Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, the monsoons are here. It's nice that it's a nice overcast weather and there's rains. The plants love it. But if you like cycling in the rain, it's not very good for your bike. There is going to be a lot of mud and, well, dirt which is going to accumulate on your down tube and your seat tube, amongst other places. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick 2-minute service that you should do after every wet ride. First, I need to pick up a few supplies from Velo Studio. So let's head there, pick up the supplies and get back. Well, there's a full range of muck-off over here, so that's good. So guys, what do you need to clean the bike? A toothbrush to get into all those difficult to get to places, a cloth, and a nice shampoo. So I'm going to be using the muck-off shampoo because it works really well and I'm going to get a nice clean bike. Once I'm done cleaning the bike, I'm going to be lubing the drivetrain. And for that I'm going to be using Muck-Off's wet lube. As the name says, this is for wet weather. So first, let's now clean the bike. Once you're done brushing off the dirt, it's time to just give it another wash and wipe it down. So once you're done wiping the bike down and it's nice and dry, use your lube on the drivetrain. I prefer doing this the same day because I plan on riding again tomorrow morning. Now, while applying lube, never put excessive. There should be a little bit of lube on the chain. It should not be dripping off the chain. Well guys, that was my 2-minute ritual to clean up this bike after every rain ride. If you want to know more about the bike, I'm going to be linking the video here. If you want to know more about the stand, the video is here. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.